When you do reconstruction, the patient's face becomes normal. And he's beautiful, happy. I'm sorry, I don't have slides. We have just to interact with you only. They're right. So, very rewarding. Patient is happy too. But when in cancer, you are doing a service. These people should be worshipped. So the cancer surgeon should use. And the patients are poor. And you're doing a service for 8-9 hours. The surgery takes 2 hours and they pay you more. That surgery takes a long time, more expenditure. You know, the applicator for the maxillovascular surgery, that the titanium ones are very expensive and time is consuming. Anesthesia is consuming, these medicines are consumed. Then post-operative care also, they stay for, you know, they remove the mandible. These people, they remove the mandible, do the neck, tracheostomy, patient is bedridden, they do a fibula flap, patient cannot walk, then, you know, motion, urine, everything on the bed for 1 month. But whereas the orthodontic surgery, they're happy, they go back on, the girl gets married. So that's the difference. So now, we go to my second edition of that. So it was in 2001. Then the second edition was Laskin, third edition also Laskin, then fourth edition. So what happens is this book, entirely all the chapters are written by me. Okay, so there is no overlap. So some of the books, I have the content, so I can write. Each chapter I have the content. The surgeries are performed by me, so I have the pictures. But whereas some of the some books there may be 30-40 authors. There should not be any overlap. Welcome. So now, so that is the fourth edition. The other book, Craniofacial book, when you find them, if you go through, each case is different. And that book is written each case, how I have performed the case, and what difficulty I have come across. And I have given all the time. After every chapter, I have written what are the complications involved. That book is very important because every chapter I have given what I really felt, where I was stuck, where I couldn't proceed. Suppose you take a L4-3 osteotomy. 3-4 days back, I did a surgery. That was failed in another country. The boy is living with the tracheostomy for 17 years. Because of the midface is so much collapsed in the back, he cannot breathe, his tongue is out. Now he is living with a tracheostomy. You need to do a L4-3 and advance it. You take a 3D model and see all the vessels are very close to the pterygoid region. You make a cut from the frontozygomatic region and come out the orbit. You need to take care of the lacrimal sac, then nasal, then the opposite side, then go behind, behind the pterygoid. And when you do an osteotomy, you need to be extremely careful. Because if the vessels, all the vessels back, then you're trying to break with your rose elevator. When you're trying to break it, and sometimes it might bleed. So these are the things. So everything. So I have mentioned in all the chapters. Whether it's oculoplasty or facial palsy, what I felt. So everything I have given in the second book. So this is how. So to write a book, you need a motivation. You need the content. Then why you are writing, for who are the audience, why you want to write the book, and whether it is beneficial for the students, and the next level, whether it is beneficial to the postgraduates and postdoctoral. That's all. Thank you very much, Tamil.